Hey, folks, just in time for the cold weather. Coats, and more coats. These from NAFT Federal Credit Union in Pharr. We had a great day for Tim's Coats today. This is one of many donations that came in. This is just super. The members and the staffers there at NAFT Federal Credit Union on Veterans Boulevard donating all these coats to us. Some of those look really nice, too. Even price tags on some of them, so they're still brand new. So we really appreciate everybody at NAFT Federal Credit Union for doing coats for us, for Tim's Coats. We get those out as quickly as we can for these cold nights. We had a bunch of coats come in today. We'll show you some more video tomorrow. Since we didn't have our 6 o'clock newscast, I couldn't show you other ones. We'll show you those tomorrow at 6 that we had from places around the valley. It is cold out there tonight. 41 at Edinburgh, 44 Harlingen, Westlaco, Raymondville, 48 Port Isabel. The island checks in at 55 degrees. That freeze warning in effect for northern Hidalgo County, all of Starr County, and then all the counties to the north of us. Most of the valley not under the freeze warning. And it looks like temperatures are going to drop. So right at freezing, maybe a little bit below from Rio Grande City back to Roma up to San Ysidro. But once you get down along the I-2 corridor and then I-69E, we should stay at or slightly above the freezing mark. What this means mainly is out in here, any tender vegetation probably needs to be covered or brought inside if you're out in that warning area. But again, that does not include most of the valley. Lighter winds tonight. It's going to cool off quite a lot. Now, tomorrow we start cold. You wake up in the morning, it's going to be chilly. Easterly winds, but by afternoon, temperatures climb back up into the 60s valley-wide. A lot of readings about 68 or 69 degrees. If you look at the next 7 days, we kind of hold right there all the way through the weekend now. And then next week, this is Christmas Eve, that's Christmas Day, we really warm things up nicely. We go back above normal after a few days just below normal for your high temperatures. Satellite and radar picking up on a lot of high clouds moving across tonight, and that may slow temperatures from falling quite so quickly. I think especially along the coast. The moisture is already building back in. Dew points are coming back up. For a time today, the dew points in the upper valley were down in the single digits, and that's really, really dry. You can feel that in your hands, on your lips, everywhere. You can just feel the dry air. Well, by tomorrow, I think we see some sun early, but then the clouds take over, and by tomorrow night, it's just overcast. Look at the daytime Friday. Clouds, and Friday night, scattered showers move through. I think we could see anywhere from half an inch to an inch in a few places of rain Friday night. Early Saturday, but then as the day goes on Saturday, I think the clouds finally thin out, get back to some sunshine for the second half of the day, and then Sunday on, looks like it ought to be dry. So tomorrow night, slight chance for a shower, then 50%, 60% for Friday day, Friday night, and then early morning on Saturday, about a 30% probability. Then after that, we should dry things out. If you look at the next 7 days, there's that peak, and then it comes back down, and we're dry Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Rest of South Texas, 39 in Fowl, 38 in Corpus, same thing in San Antonio. We've kind of leveled out. It's 41 in Dallas, a little warmer up there than it is in the middle part of Texas. There are those high clouds already moving in, and they'll continue to do so. We're going to see a little low develop right on the coast. Typically, we get a southeast wind back in here, but because that low's developing, it's not going to happen. Get the rain chance and then a northerly wind behind that, so we end up staying cool all the way through the weekend. Tonight, then, 39, mainly clear, chilly. Patchy clouds already moving in some places, though. Then tomorrow, some morning sun, afternoon clouds. By late, when we say stray shower, we're talking tomorrow night. That carries into Friday. Good chance of rain Friday night. Winter officially begins at the end of the day on Saturday. And then for Sunday, should be nice. A low 43, a high of 66. As we go into the holiday, Christmas Eve about 76, and Christmas Day around 81 degrees. That's your updated First Word 5 AccuWeather forecast. We'll be back right after the break.